Hey there, it's Harmony. I'm here again for another spirit animal card reading. Today we will do a little shuffle and see what comes out. But when I do this, I kind of look for a card that seems to pop out, and the card happens to be Lizard. Lizard says dream. Lizard says, what do you want to do with your life? Now or when you grow up? Dream on, I say. It's those that listen to and follow their dreams that are the happiest in their lives. It doesn't really matter where the dream may lead you. Whatever path you're on is the right one for you. These visions and ideas you get about what to do are called the dream of your life, or sometimes the path of your soul. Dare to dream big and don't let yourself be intimidated by what others think or say, especially if your dreams feel right and make you feel good. These dreams are the ones where you imagine the kinds of things you want to do with your life, either now or later in the future. Often this is where an idea starts that later comes true. To understand the path your soul wants you to take, also pay attention to your nighttime dreams, especially those that you clearly remember. They will not only guide you along the way and give you hints of your life's purpose, but also teach you about your hopes, your fears, and your fantasies, or give you some idea of what is going on inside you that you may not be fully aware of. Even scary ones can give you some clues as to what may be bothering you. Talk with a trusted adult or friend whether you have an especially vivid, powerful dream, so they can help you better understand it. The activities are to keep a dream journal where you write and or draw any nighttime dreams as you have as dreams that you have, as well as any dreams that you have about your future. And this can be really powerful. You can also do a video log as well if you have a hard time writing down or drawing. Visualize what you want to be when you grow up, and if possible, how you might go about achieving it. Visualization is such a powerful key to really bringing in the things that we envision. Tell someone that you trust about what you hope and wish for in the future. So in the future, there are so many things that we may envision, and if we tell certain people that we don't really trust with this information, they could discourage and really put negative connotation around those dreams. So make sure that when you're telling somebody, you're telling people that support you and that will help enrich those visions. And always talk to someone about any big dreams that you have, and it will help you to understand them. Enjoy, and I hope you have a great day. Stay tuned for more tarot card and oracle card readings, spirit animal card readings, and I hope you enjoy this one. If so, you can like and subscribe to the page down below. Have a great day, and namaste.